My name's Ian Daines. I'm a sales director for Skok Machine Tools. Overall, CribMaster solutions help business overcome challenges related to inventory management, loss prevention, compliance, usage tracking, tool management, and procurement processes. Ultimately, improving operational efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing productivity. Data has shown that within the first month there's like a saving of around about 24%. The second month about 42 to 45%, and within the third month there's about 75% saving on losses. The CribMaster software significantly impacts on the stockable process by streamlining and enhancing inventory management activities with real-time inventory visibility, automated tracking, barcode and RFID integration. It also integrates into most ERP systems as well, so there's always continuous improvement. Overall, CribMaster software has transformed the stockable process by automating tasks, improving accuracy, enhancing visibility, and enabling a proactive inventory management practices. The design of the CribMaster program for daily use is centered around simplicity, efficiency and effectiveness. We have an intuitive interface, a dashboard overview, inventory management, where you can have check-in, check-out process, workflow automation, scalability and flexibility. And we also do a lot of training and support, so the after-sales support is there. So CribMaster solutions are designed primarily for industries that have complex inventory management, needs and require stringent control over tools, equipment and consumables.